Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and you are watching Arnav Kumar Manna. Today I'm going to give a demo on how to make a landscape using poster color. Here I'm applying cobalt blue color on the sky, and in order to get the lighter tone I'm using little white with cobalt blue color. The more lighter tone you need, the more white you have to add. The same cobalt blue I'm applying on the mountains on the drawing that I already made earlier. On the darker areas, I'm using little Prussian blue with cobalt blue. So many tones I'm applying on the mountains, and it's very important in your painting to use different tones, light tone, medium tones, dark tones, and the jumping of your brush on the painting is really very important. After mountains, I'm going to apply the color on the trees, and I'm going to make the trees little colorful because it's a basically hilly area. Here I'm using little deep green and little Prussian blue on the trees, and on the yellow trees I have used little chrome yellow, and on the darker areas little orange I have mixed together. I'm trying to show the direction of light from the left side. So that's why on the left side I'm using only chrome yellow, and on the right side I'm using little orange color with chrome yellow. I like to see the ground also as very colorful. So that's why the tones of yellow and orange I'm applying. This area I'm going to show the water, and these are the reflection of the trees. The same color I'm going to apply on the reflections of the different objects. Showing the reflection of any object on the water is really all about having a lot of fun. And in order to show the reflection, it's important how you are using the brushes. The brush strokes and the direction of using brushes are important. The same cobalt blue I'm using, and on the lighter areas here I'm applying direct white color. I'm trying to make these as little hazy. So that's why I'm making them blurred. I'm blending them. On my previous video, you must have seen the different techniques of blending. Using the damp brushes, I'm making them little blurred, little hazy. Well friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Little more contrast I'm increasing on the mountains. On the sky also I'm increasing little more contrast. This is the benefit in poster color, that you can change anytime according to your wish. dark to light or light to dark. Anytime you can change. But it's very important in your poster color painting to use the proper ratio of water and color. If you will use too much water in poster color technique, in that case you will not get the expected result. So friends, now I'm going to put my signature on the painting as the painting is completed. Now I'm going to remove the tapes and going to show you the close-up of the painting. You may watch in details. And viewers, if you really like my poster color tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get the further notifications. I hope you enjoyed my video. That's all. Thank you for watching.